The 2026 Beta RS lineup, 350 to 500 cubic centimeters. Where we bring you the most exciting motorcycles from around the world. Today, we're diving into the rugged, street-legal off-road machines that dominate trails and highways alike. The 2026 Beta RS lineup, ranging from 350 cubic centimeters all the way up to 500 cubic centimeters. This lineup isn't just about power, it's about precision, control, and serious off-road capability combined with real-world usability. Gear engine lineup, 4 personalities, 1 DNA. The 2026 Beta RS range comes in 4 engine sizes, 350, 390, 430, and 500 cubic centimeters, each designed for a different riding style. The 350 cubic centimeters model is lightweight and rev-happy, perfect for riders who love high-revving performance and technical trails. Step up to the 390 cubic centimeters, and you get stronger low-end torque, making it more forgiving and easier to ride in tough terrain. The 430 cubic centimeters sits right in the middle, offering a balance of rev power and torque for aggressive riders. And finally, the 500 cubic centimeters delivers massive torque and effortless cruising, making it ideal for long-distance dual-sport adventures. Each bike uses a single-cylinder, liquid-cooled, 4-stroke engine with fuel injection and a 6-speed transmission, ensuring strong and reliable performance across all terrains. Checkered flag performance and ride feel. What makes the Beta RS lineup special is how each bike feels on the trail. The smaller engines feel nimble and playful, while the bigger engines feel planted and powerful. The bikes are designed to be lightweight and agile, giving riders confidence whether they're climbing rocky hills or navigating tight forest trails. The 500 cubic centimeters model, in particular, stands out for its user-friendly power delivery, offering strong torque without feeling overwhelming, a rare combination in this class. Hammer and wrench suspension and chassis. Across the lineup, Beta equips these bikes with high-end components. You get fully adjustable KYB suspension, including a 48mm front fork and advanced rear shock, designed to handle everything from jumps to rough terrain. The chassis is built from molybdenum steel with a double cradle frame, providing strength while keeping the bike lightweight and responsive. This combination ensures excellent control, stability, and comfort whether you're on dirt, gravel, or pavement. Brain technology and features. Even though these are hardcore off-road machines, Beta didn't skip modern features. The 2026 RS models include dual map engine settings for different riding conditions, traction control system for better grip, Trailtech Voyager GPS display for navigation, electric start with optional Kickstarter backup. These features make the bikes not only powerful but also practical for real-world adventures. Motorcycle street-legal dual sport capability. One of the biggest advantages of the RS lineup is that all models are fully street-legal. This means you can ride from your home straight to the trails without needing a trailer, a huge plus for adventure riders. They are designed to handle both highway cruising and extreme off-road riding, making them true go-anywhere machines. Trophy conclusion: which one should you choose? The 2026 Beta RS lineup offers something for every rider. Want lightweight agility? Go for the 350. Need balance? The 390 is perfect. Crave aggressive performance? Choose the 430. Want ultimate power and versatility? The 500 is king. No matter which one you pick, you're getting a machine built for serious adventure.